In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to move the Human Touch Sauna. First thing we need to do is make sure the chair is in the fully upright position. So if you've just received the chair, which comes in a reclined position, you'll need to plug in the power cord and use the remote control to raise the chair to the upright position. First thing you need to do is tuck your hands in between the back of the chair and underneath the headrest pad and grab the chair frame there. And we'll show you in a minute exactly what that looks like. Next, position your foot on the back of the rear shroud. And then pull backward on the headrest frame to tilt the chair onto its rear wheels, and then you can push it easily forward. Be sure to lower it gently by putting your foot back on that rear shroud and gently lowering it back to the floor. Now, just to make clear exactly what you're hanging on to, we're going to unzip this headrest pad, and to show you, the chair frame is right there. So that's what you're grasping. That's a very solid area to grasp when tipping the chair onto its rear mobility wheels.